Hi, my name is Christabelle, CBS DIY specialist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to read a measuring tape like a pro. The first thing you need to note is the hook on your measuring tape. This moves slightly back and forth to account for the thickness of the hook, therefore allowing you to make accurate inside and outside measurements. If for whatever reason your hook is too loose or deformed, you can burn an inch. This means starting your measurement at the 1 inch mark, then subtracting that inch from your final measurement. Now let's talk about the scale. The large numbers are inches, which are broken down into halves, quarters, eighths, and sixteenths. Each mark between your whole numbers is 1/16 of an inch, and there are 15 of them, the 16th being the inch mark itself. So if your measurement falls on the shortest line, you know right away it will be in sixteenths. The next longest line will be your eighths, and so on. Keep in mind that the fractions should always be read at their simplest form. For example, here we have 1/16. Next, this can technically be read as 2/16, but can be broken down to 1/8. Same goes for 4/16, which can be simplified to 2/8, then again to 1/4 of an inch. Let's apply this in a practical sense with some example readings. If we're at this line, the measurement is 4 9/16. It falls on the shortest line, so we know it's in sixteenths. And it's right after the middle line, which is your half inch, so that's 8 of the sixteenths right there. If we fall at this line, it's 2 7/8 inches. We know this because 1, it's the second shortest line, meaning it's in eighths, and 2, it's the last eighth mark in the inch. And since 8/8 make an inch, 1 less would be 7. The key is to identify the increment you're dealing with based on the length of the line. In time, this will become second nature to you, and you won't have to count each line. Now go ahead and measure up that space you want to enhance. Then visit us at CBS Bahamas so we can help you build beautiful.